Hello everyone, today we are going to see how we can use SSH keys for authenticating for GitHub, GitLab or Bitbucket. So let's get started. The first thing we have to do is to install the Git. I hope you have already done that. So go to the desktop and right click and you will see Git bash here. It will open a terminal for you. So you have to type SSH hyphen key and it will generate a key for you. You can name it key underscore whatever you want. You if you want to add a passphrase you can add that. I am not adding that for now. And now you will see you have generated a key successfully. The one key is private and one is public key, so cut it from here. Go to your C drive. In your users username you will see a .ssh setup, .ssh folder, and now you can paste those keys. And now you have to edit a file called config file. So the first thing we have to do is to add a host, which will be github.com/android underscore libraries. Whatever is convenient for you, add that. Now second name is host name, so it will be github.com. If you are using any other provider like GitLab or Bitbucket, you can add their host name. So for GitLab it will be gitlab.com and for Bitbucket it will be bitbucket.org. But make sure you will write it down correctly. Then you have to add a user, it will be git. After that you have to add the identity file, which would go like okay slash dot ssh slash whatever you have named the key. I have named it key underscore android libraries, so I'll do that. And now you have to save the file. And if you want to add multiple hostname you can add multiple, and for the command you can add hash for that. So I'll name it android libraries is github. Now save it. The next thing you have to do is to copy the public file. Open the public file, copy the data from that, and you have to go to your GitHub setting. You will see SSH and GPG keys. Add a new key, name whatever you want to name that, and add a key. Okay, so now we have added the key. Now we want to use that key for like authentication. So let's try to clone a repository. So I'll go to code and clone. We don't want to use HTTPS, we want to use SSH. So copy that and open a terminal. Now type git clone. Okay, first I'll go to desktop, then git clone. And now you will see here is the host, which is the default host for GitHub, but we want to use custom host for us. So name that host android underscore libraries. And now if you will see the cloning has been completed for our repository. You can see the data has been cloned from our repository. So in that way you can add multiple SSH keys, how many you want. You can control like GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket accounts very easily. Okay, so if you want to now like delete the key, just go to the setting and SSH and GCP and you can like delete that, and it will also show you the last use and the edit date. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you this video has helped you a lot in setting up the SSH keys. If you like the video, click on the like button. If you want to see more videos like, subscribe on my channel, and have a good day. Be safe, be at your home. Bye bye.